What's up, guys? Jason of the Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys. So it's Saturday. It's September 6th. It's a Saturday, and I'm out here with the old Kubota. I was gonna move a lot of wood. Sherilyn's gonna come out and help me about 20 minutes, but I spent the morning cutting a lot of firewood into pieces to be split. Just trying to get everything organized, and it was kind of boring. I wasn't sure if you guys would really be interested in seeing me cut more firewood, but that's all I got done this morning. And I'm gonna put the forks on, doing a little bit of cleanup, and then I want to get the wood I cut up, off the ground. I hate having it on the ground. It's a sin. I hate it. So let's go back here and I'll show you what I got done this morning. All right, guys, let me show you what I got done. If you remember, we had a bunch of standing oak delivered from my new friend Brian. So I went ahead and got this all cut up into pieces. So this looks really good. Most of them are like to the right size. Some are weird, like this one. It's kind of weird. This one's kind of weird. These two look good. Big chunks here. So some will be good for selling. A lot of it's going to be used for home heating. So that's fine. And then I'll show you what else I got into. So this big monstrosity pile of, I think it's maple. There's just a massive amount of wood here, but I've been going through the little stuff and pulling it out. And this is what I got done today. Got it all cut and stacked. I'm putting it on pallets just because I like keeping it off the ground. And it's close to the splitter here. And then I started a second section over here. So this is all done. So yeah, so we got the tractor out so we can move that oak that's on the ground, move it closer to the splitter, put it on some pallets, keep it off the ground. Because I just never know when I want to get back here, and I never know how much rain we're going to get. So that's the plan for today. I keep looking down if I'm not looking at the camera. The little turtle that was here a couple weeks ago, I moved him. I didn't put it in the video, but I moved him because I didn't want him to get hurt. So during that day when I was working, I moved him and I actually put him right here by this tire. I shoved him back there, but like he had a nice little hidey spot there. But then the other day, a couple days ago, I was out here and he seriously moved from right there over to here. He was sitting in these pallets. Like I could see him, like he was just like in between the slots back there. And he was there up until about lunchtime, and I don't know where he walked off to now. So now that's why I'm looking down. I just don't want to hit him. But he blends in so well with the falling leaves. So I'm just still kind of just poking around here. I just don't want to run him over. But if I find him, I'll be sure to show him to you. All right, just grabbing a few pallets. We'll pick those up and move them into our spot. I'm thinking we're just gonna go right over here. I think it should be fine. All right, guys. No sign of the turtle just yet. Still looking. Does it seem like it's shifting better? Yeah, at a first gear, did you notice? Oh, try to run it. See if it shifts a little better. It seemed like it was. Just put it on auto. I don't know. Sherilyn's here, and we're she's running the UTV around the Honda. I can't lie, I have been looking at different UTVs. The shifting of that Honda, it's just so different because it's a mechanical, right? So it's, you know, it's electronic, like I think it's called a dual clutch. So it shifts every 5 miles an hour. So it's like completely different than the ATV we had and the golf cart. So I love Honda, they're so reliable. I did look at some Polarises, but man, the comments on YouTube about like Honda versus Polaris, my God, people were just tearing apart Polaris. Just how bad they are and how often they're in the shop. So I don't know what she thinks anymore. I don't know what I think. What do you think? Seems like it's a little better.
Yeah.
Shift doesn't seem to be as jerky. I don't know.
Yeah. Coming back now.
All right, Sherilyn's gonna help me with the tractor. I'm not sure about you tractor owners, but when I'm doing stuff like this, when I'm by myself, I'm just constantly on and off the tractor. It's so annoying. That's a whole nother thing. Like sometimes I wish I would have got like a stand-up skid steer, just because that thing is just a pain to get on and off of as I get older here. All right, first load. Let's see if Sherilyn keeps them on the forks. Probably should use a bucket, but we'll try the forks today. Goes down. All right, guys, there we go. Sherilyn's doing a good job. This just saves me so much up and down off that tractor. So, yeah, we're just going 2 at a time, and we're just doing 2 rows. I hope they all fit. I'm really not sure if they're gonna fit or not, but we're gonna try. All right, guys, we got a tricky one here. Sherilyn, well, this piece actually had a hole in the bottom near the base of the tree, so she just has it on one fork here. So see if she can position it right here next to the other one. See how good she does here. Give it a little push. There we go. Somewhat standing up. That way it's just not completely flat on the ground. Okay, this is looking really good. So we'll just grab, there's like 4 small pieces. And that'll be it. So we'll probably just do 2 and 2. Let me get, so we can do 3. All right, you're good. There you go. Oh, Sherilyn wanted to show me this big spider, a wolf spider. Oh, man. Oh, he is scary. Big wolf spider. Curl it, there you go. Ah! Fell off. That was a tricky one. That was embarrassing. I apologize for that. Those ones are fine there. So we can pick this one back up. There you go. This right here. Oh, good save. Good save. Ah, she did it. She done did it. Yeah, I fumbled that one there. Just the weight of it just fell right off. All right, this is what's left. A bunch of sawdust and just these 2 little pieces. I'll put them in the IBC tote. And she can take this one here. All right, last one. There we go. We'll grab these 2. And they go in the IBC tote. I think that's it. We got it all cleaned up. Couple divots. All right, that looks great. Huge help. Sherilyn helped me. I tell you what, this tractor, if you're doing stuff like that, it's so much better to have a helper. You have a ground person and you're the driver, the operator. So that's how I like to do it. Now, if I had one of those standing skid steers, it'd be a different story. I'd just do it all myself. Just throw these right in the IBC tote. There we go. And those are good. See how she does. How is she gonna do? Go a little higher. There you go. A little more angle. There you go. That's it. All right, that's it, guys. We're gonna take the forks off real quick and then call it a day. But I thought I'd just bring you back. I had to get back in the habit of shooting. I kind of took a week off there after that Labor Day trip. It was a long trip. It was short, a lot of driving. Felt kind of sick when I got back to work. A little bit of a cold, but I got through that. We've just been busy, and I'm just glad to be out here today, just trying to get something done. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this, but thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.